Hi there. Are you more prone to sun damage and age spots than when you were younger? I know before I started using castor oil with my face fitness routine, I had quite a dark sun damage on my cheek. And then every summer it seemed to get a little darker. To be honest, it didn't really bother me, but hey, if I could lighten it up, then why not? So if you're looking for a way to lighten sun damage, whether it's on your hands, your face, then let me share what I do. This is a photo from 2 years ago. It was taken in the fall, and you can see the sun damage quite clearly. I don't have a picture where I was intentionally taking it. But then this one, let's put it over here. This one is of March 2024. So I hadn't started using the castor oil yet, but the sun damage would naturally fade a little in the winter months. So let me show you a close-up and we'll just leave it there. I have one a little bit closer up, but we'll do that later. So I have a photo from 2 years ago. This one is in March. And then I have one from April. So I had been using the castor oil for about 30 days at that time. And then this one is today. So I want you to, I'll show all four of those.
But really, these are the two that show the contrast. So from September 2022 to August 2024. And you can actually see how it had spread and was getting larger as well.
So like I said, this goes for my hands as well. I just don't have any before and after photos. What have I been doing? Other than I have been using castor oil, frankincense when I've done my skincare at night. When I do a face fitness massage, I use castor oil mixed with rosehip, and then I put about 8 drops of frankincense. I don't have the little 2-ounce container that I do it in, but half frankincense, half rosehip oil, and 8 drops of frankincense. So that's what I do just on a daily when I'm doing my skincare. And then for the actual sun damage, I started after April. So it may have been more May. Yeah, it was probably in May. I started doing a baking soda scrub. So for the scrub that I've been doing, I use castor oil, baking soda, frankincense, and lemon. Let me read what I found, why this combination works. The ingredient in castor oil that contributes to lightening dark spots is ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid has anti-inflammatory and skin healing properties that can help reduce pigmentation and even out skin tone over time. Baking soda and castor oil are sometimes used together in home remedies, with the baking soda acting as an exfoliant and the castor oil providing moisturizing and healing properties. It can help remove dead skin cells, which helps improve overall skin. And then frankincense I've just known as being healing and good for my skin, so I put some of that in. Frankincense is often considered beneficial for healing. It has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, which can support healing and reduce irritation. Frankincense oil is commonly used in skincare to help with such issues as scars, blemishes, and dry skin. For more pronounced results, it's typically recommended to combine frankincense with other ingredients known for their brightening effects. So I've got my lemon. Lemon essential oil is known for its potential skin brightening properties due to its high vitamin C content and natural acids. These components can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and even out skin tone. I have a couple warnings that I'll talk about later. Let me just tell you how I used it. So I take a little dish. This is probably for soy sauce, but I use this a lot in the bathroom. So I take a little dish. I take baking soda. If I have a little scoop, I use that. Otherwise, I just use my fingers. And then I take castor oil. Again, your castor oil, you want to find cold pressed, hexane free in a glass amber bottle. Organic, did I say that? This is the one I use. I'll link it in the description, but there's other ones as well. So I just take it, I mix it up, and then the first thing I do is I put it on my cheek, and I put it on my little marionette lines here, try and lighten them up. So some of this isn't just jowls, it's dark. So I've been lightening that as well. Then on my face, I use a light circular motion, okay? I'm not scrubbing, you know, super hard on my face. So then I put it on the back of my hands, and I'm a little bit more aggressive when I'm doing my hands. So I'm, you know, rubbing it right into those knuckles. I'm getting in between the fingers, and so just, you know, giving it a good massage. And I really want to exfoliate the skin. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And then I set an alarm for 10 minutes. There's nothing magical about 10 minutes. It's just, I get impatient, so I might try and, you know, take it off sooner, but I really feel like a good 10 minutes is needed. So I set an alarm. And then after the 10 minutes, I wash it off with a warm washcloth and a little bit of soap. On my hands, usually just running them under warm water is enough, but I want to get the oil off the front, so I use soap on the front, but I try and leave some on the back just to absorb. Another good place that you can do this is if you have dark elbows, then you can, you know, rub that in your elbows, the baking soda, castor oil, and the essential oils. Just leave that for a little while, and it should brighten up that as well. I do like to say I'm not a professional. I was a former esthetician. I have tried lots of things on my skin, but I'm just giving my experience. If you know, are considering using this combination, then it's important to be cautious. Baking soda can be an irritant, it can be abrasive, it can disrupt the skin's natural pH balance if used too often. Lemon oil can also be an irritant. It can make the skin more sensitive to the sun, and then that's just going to lead to further discoloration. So it's important to use that with caution. And with any oils, you should probably do a patch test, and just to make sure that you don't have any irritation with that. My name's Patty, and I'm from 60 is the new 60, and I know that the saying is 60 is the new 40. But I'm 62 years old, and I'm not trying to be 40. I just want to be healthy, active, and happy. If you found this video helpful, then I hope that you would like and maybe share it with someone else. If you want more videos about healthy aging, positive aging, or maybe you want to start a YouTube channel over the age of 50, then I have so much I would love to share with you. So please subscribe. Until next video, thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.